Hey there, I hope you're doing well. It's Miriam of All Trades. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your embed code or HTML code for custom features on your Wix website. Adding an HTML code can be very useful because as much as Wix has many options that might be useful for your website, it still won't have everything, or maybe it won't have what you actually need or what you the theme that you want. So here I will want to add a countdown timer right here under the giveaway winner in. And for this, I'm going to use a third-party website called ElfSite, which has many widgets that you can add to your website using an embed code or an HTML code. Now, for this website, you have many options right here. So just click on widgets. All of them are for free. All you have to do is create an account. So here I'm going to add my countdown timer. For the HTML code, you can add basically anything, widget, forms, anything that has a embed code. So here I'm going to pick my countdown timer, any type of countdown. So for example, this one. And then I'm going to click on continue with this template and change it however I want it to be. So I'm just going to customize it real quick. Once I customize my widget, as you can see, I added 2 hours, join the list. Now I'm going to click on add to website for free. And here, once you do that, you get the embed code. But in order to get the embed code, all you have to do is sign up or create an account. So I'm just going to very quick create an account. Once I did that, it took me to this page, and here you can title your widget. So I'm just going to click on publish. And then once I click on publish, just choose the free option. And then we're going to here you can find the embed code. So this is the embed code. Like I told you before, the embed code looks like a code. So it has tags, it has all of these, let's say, characters, etc. So here I'm going to click on copy code. And then I'm going to go back to my website and go to my left-handed panel here and scroll down until I find embed code between list and social. Once I do that, I'll click on embed HTML. And then here you get this dialog box that says HTML settings. What do you want to add a code? So here I'm just gonna paste my code right here and click on update. It usually takes a few seconds to show, but do not worry, it will show anyway. So here is my my widget or my embed code. As you can see, here we have the 2 hours, the giveaway winner in 2 hours. Join the list now. And this is how you add an embed code. You can use this for different widgets, for forms, anything that has an embed code. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.